hit the falsetto.
There's no gun in your eyes anymore, and it makes you wanna drive home, drunk and alone. Curse the faces and the weed. Drown yourself in the gold, 'cause you can't let it go. You almost miss the smell of smoking clothes, and it makes you wanna wear the wool. It's that like nothing else, you bullshit with the best away. For what's perfect, you bitch and moan more than most about. When you're thinking your life will take you, but you know that's no sort of pretending. I guess it's the things that I don't say. Just pretending. Like it's just the things that I don't say. There's no gun in your eyes anymore. There's no gun in your eyes anymore. Doing nothing is worse than doing nothing. And I know who's hiding it. Who the hell is hiding it? Who's hiding it? Who the hell is hiding it? You can't stay angry forever. And I know you can't stay angry forever, or so I'm told, or so I'm told. The house gets so quiet, sitting here wishing for just an hour or two. But the house gets so quiet, sitting here wishing for just an hour or two, alone with you. Well, it's always too personal, always too close to comment. There is no mention how tired you look, and you realize you haven't said a word in hours. Well, who's hiding it? Who the hell is hiding it, Jimmy? Well, I guess it's the things that I don't say. Well, I guess it's the things that I don't say.